Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll see Zkteco time pass as a shift. How we can create shift in our system. Let's see how we can create a shift. Okay, then shift is here. So we'll already generate a timetable for a single day and a single shift. We'll see the shift in here. Let's see how we can set. This is a cycle length. Cycle length actually depends on shift duration. Shift duration is 8 hours, and it will automatically adjust. And shift name, shift name, and then you can add the shift and duration. So we'll create a timetable as 9 to then we want to 9 a.m. to 18 p.m. shift duration. Let's see. We add just shift, drag and drop. Okay, this is the pink color. Drag and drop schedule, and then another. When you want to add, it's if your company had 3 schedule, 3 shift, you can add 3 by that, or 2 or 1. I just use just one schedule. Next any video I'll try to more scheduling. And this is the so you can see that there is a 8 hours cycle length, so you can schedule. It's a day shift. Let's put the parameter here. It's generated already. Okay, then if it regular working time, already will be set this one timetable and day shift, the shift name, day shift, and then will be set this. Okay, shift. If you want to mode shift, night shift, second shift, first shift, morning shift, yes, you can put here. And this is the we just add this and it's a date fixed. It's not necessary here, but you can add many more time. Okay, we'll save this or name this day shift. Okay, because it's need us for the next part scheduling, temporary schedule assigned. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching this video and watching my video. I try to put a step-by-step video in this particular software. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask by comments. I'll try my best to feedback you. Thank you.